Are you looking for the commuter bike lights? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best commuter bike lights on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Headlight. The Planet Bike Beamer 700 is our top pick for urban bike commuters. This headlight is bright enough to cut through urban light pollution, and its beam pattern is wide enough to illuminate jaywalkers, potholes, and low-hanging branches. The Beamer 700 has a generous runtime for 1/2 hours at its 350 lumen medium setting, the mode I used most often. So it should last most daily commuters a week between charges, that's assuming a ride time of about half an hour each way, and not riding in complete darkness the whole time. The cam adjuster style mount expands or shrinks to fit most handlebars via a thumb screw. The body of the light attaches to the mount via a quick release latch, which makes it easy to remove for charging, or to keep it away from sticky fingers. With its bright, wide-angle beam and long run time, this headlight should meet the needs of most commuters. An adjustable cam mount keeps the light steady on a wide range of handlebars, and a quick release latch makes it easy to remove for charging. Number 2. Better lateral visibility but shorter run time. A former top pick, Portland Design Works City Rover 700 is still a very good headlight. And a recent update from micro USB to USB-C trims 2 hours off of its recharge time. Although the City Rover 700's battery life, 4 hours on the medium setting of 350 lumens, is not as robust as that of our top pick, it still should power an average urban commuter through the work week. If your commute is packed with intersections, you may actually prefer the City Rover 700 over the Beamer 700, since it has the largest, most visible side lights of any headlight I tested. Like our top pick, the City Rover 700 has a quick release latch, for easy removal, but its rubber mounting strap takes far more effort to install than the Beamer 700's cam mount. The City Rover 700 is also a little more expensive. This headlight has better lateral visibility than our top pick, but it's slightly narrower, and its battery won't last as long. It also has an easy-to-use quick-release latch, but the rubber mounting strap is less user-friendly than the Beamer 700's cam mount. Number 3. Good value in a small package. The Knight Rider Swift 300 has been replaced by the Knight Rider Swift 450. The older version is still available in stores and online. We will test the new version as soon as possible and report back. If your commute is short or lightly trafficked, the Knight Rider Swift 300 may be all you need to see and be seen on the road. About the size of a nail polish bottle, this light will kick out 300 lumens for up to 2 hours. The Swift 300 has an all-in-one swiveling rubber mounting strap, rather than a quick-release latch, like those on our top and runner-up picks, and it's not quite as easy to remove when you've reached your destination. Despite its low price, this plastic light includes many features found on our top and runner-up picks, including side cutouts for visibility, a low-power indicator, and a lockout mode, which prevents it from accidentally turning on in your bag. This plastic light is small and sturdy, with a swiveling strap, and it offers decent side visibility. It's bright enough for urban riders who have short, well-lit commutes, but it's not suited to longer or darker routes. Number 4. Best headlight for long commutes. These days, you can buy a light that boasts up to 3000 lumens. But for the urban commuter, brighter is, often, not better. For most riders anything over 800 lumens is overkill, as well as a potential danger to other users' eyes. However, I have a long commute on rural roads, and I often start or end my ride in the dark. Riders with similar commutes need a very bright light that can switch into lower modes once the sun has risen and they've reached busier streets. And they likely also need waterproof lights, since they're at greater risk of being caught in inclement weather. The Blackburn Dayblazer 1000 can run for 90 minutes at 1000 lumens and for 5½ hours at 350 lumens. For riders commuting long distances, say, more than 10 miles, that combination provides enough time and light to safely get to work or school and home again. Its machined aluminum body is waterproof, and it has cooling fins to disperse the substantial heat the light generates. Number 5. Best tail light. Instead of one large LED, the Sigalite Hot Rod 120 has a cluster of 20 tightly packed chip-on-board, cob, LEDs, all protected by a clear domed enclosure that emit impossible-to-ignore light. Kind of how paved diamonds catch the light better than one big solitaire diamond. Thanks to this design, all 7 modes on the tail light are truly arresting from a wide variety of angles. The Hot Rod 120 is water-resistant, with a well-fitting USB charge port cover on the back that snugs up against your seat post for extra protection from the elements, and it's held by a versatile elastomer mounting strap. Small and easy to mount, this tail light is extremely eye-catching, thanks to a cluster of 20 extra bright LEDs, housed in a transparent, domed enclosure. The LEDs are visible from the side as well as the rear.